singer-songwriters to emerge recently. She's making a tremendous impact in the singles and also in the album market. Here she is now, Twisting My Sobriety.
Children need traveling shoes. Drive your problems from here. All good people read good books. Now your conscience is clear. I hear you talk, girl. Now your conscience is clear. In the morning when I wipe my brow, wipe the miles away. So willed and never do what you say. I'll never hear you and never do what you say. Look, my eyes are just holograms. Look, your love has drawn red from my hands. From my hands, you know you'll never be more than twisting my sobriety. More than twisting my sobriety. We just booked a little empty pie for the fun the people had at night. Late at night, don't need hostility. Timid smile and pause too free. I don't care about their different thoughts. Different thoughts are good for me. Up in arms and chased and whole. All God's children took their toll. Look, my eyes are just holograms. Look, your love has drawn red from my hands. From my hands, you know you'll never be twisting my sobriety. More than twisting my sobriety. Cup of tea, take time to think, yeah. Time to risk sweet and handsome, soft and pokey. You pig out till you've seen the light. Pig out till you've seen the light. Look, my eyes are just holograms. Look, your love has drawn red from my hands. From my hands, you know you'll never be more than twisting my sobriety. Than twisting my sobriety.
She's so talented. We love her, Tanita Tikaram.
Right, here are, for you now, the Top 40 Breakers.
A new entry at 28. It's Brian Ferry remixed with Let's Stick Together.
Together now.